welcome to Toddler Crafts here at the National Marine Aquarium. My name is Summer and I run the toddler sessions here, and I've designed a couple crafts for you guys to do at home using the resources you should already have with you. So I'm going to start off today and we're going to make a lovely anemone hat. Now you might recognise anemones from Finding Nemo, which is a brilliant Disney film, definitely one of my favourites, and that's where he likes to live. Now we're going to make a hat today because they look a little bit silly and they look amazing. So have a look down here. This is what we're going to be ending up with. So it's pretty straightforward. All the materials you need are two bits of paper, some scissors, and a stapler as well. Alright, now this one here is actually one bit of paper that I've actually cut in half, so you only kind of need one full A4 size bit in total. Alright, now to start off with, we're going to staple our paper together. Now make sure you kind of leave as much room as you can, because we're going to measure it around your head. So, 1 and 2. Now, I'm going to measure it to make sure it fits your head. So, measure it with this. Fabulous. There we go. So for me, I just need a little bit there. So, make sure our staples are on the inside again, just so it doesn't get caught in your hair. So I need a little bit on the end like so. So. 1 and 2. So, got our little hat there. Now we need to cut the little tentacles on. So, it's the fun bit. So, grab your scissors. So make sure you get an adult's help if need be. Now, cutting not all the way to the bottom. Cutting just down like so. There we have it, our little hat. Now your final thing is to wear it like so, so you look like an absolute queen. And you can fold the little tentacles down if you'd like, so they kind of all like so. And there we have it, a lovely anemone hat. Happy days. Cool, so that is the end of our crafts. Keep an eye on this page for any new updates. We'd love to see what you guys get up to, so do post a little photo below so we can see what you're getting up to at home. And from everyone here at the National Marine Aquarium, please do stay safe, and hopefully we'll see you